Hello family and happy new year and welcome in Moni's kitchen. So let's go make this turkey wings together. So this is my turkey wings and I open it as you can see, and I'm going to clean my chicken wings. Turkey wings. Now I put some vinegar on it, and now this is lemon salt. I'm going to clean it with some lemon. So yeah, just have a seat and enjoy my turkey wings. And I cut it from in the middle so the seasoning can go inside of it. And then now in this bowl I take 1 tablespoon of Haitian épices, and I put some pepper water on it. So and then I put olive oil and some honey mustard. Just is gonna make the turkey just so soft. And then sesame. Just use the seasoning that you usually use. Cayenne pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. And this is a pepper and lemon seasoning. And then mix it in that Haitian épice with that vinegar and oregano. And now let's seasoning the turkey. And you can prepare this meat a day before, or you can do it the same day too, depending what time do you have. But I seasoning my the day before I cook, and I let it stay in my fridge overnight. But as you can see, I did not put no salt because all those spices I am using already have salt. I am not gonna put salt unless when I taste it, if I see missing some salt, I can add some salt to it. But I cannot add salt because I don't really eat a lot of salt. And I put some lemon juice on it. And here you go. I am going to cover it and let it stay in the fridge overnight. And then next day, for the next day. So and then I'm going to grab me a pan, and that pan I'm going to cut some onions, put it under my chicken wings. Yeah, as you can see, I eat onions, and I still put a little bit of oil because I don't want my turkey to be dry. I want my turkey wings so soft. And then I'm going to bake it, and that's it. You don't even do much. You're gonna let it bake for about like 30 to 45 minutes. So yeah, I make sure I put oil on it, olive oil. But you can skip that too, and I put some potato on it, a small potato, and I cover it and let it bake. So, and I check on it if you need some salt, and I can put some. So family, do not forget to share this video and subscribe it. Let's bring some more family to this channel. And if you try it, let me know family. If you try it and I eat it, I serve it with some rice, avocado, and some plantain, and let me know how do you like it. And do not forget to subscribe, share it, and send me your comment. Let me know if you tried. Let me know if you tried. So, and bye. Happy New Year 2024. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, this is my lovely husband who's trying it now.